pressure hammering above and below.
Yeah, like there's a lot of competitions. It's just not that we have got into the final now. We have a big task ahead to defend our title. Yeah, it's awesome. Like we have made it once again to the final. That's an achievement. Yeah, but as I said, we have to defend our title now. That's a bigger task.
Absolutely no strategy. As we told earlier, we plan everything on stage.
Yeah.
Whatever happens, we just keep on revising and plan it on stage. We
No,
revise the strategies
yeah.
on stage. During
However the
breaks.
quiz goes, according to that, we just plan it out.
Strategies. We want to win it very badly, but that depends on what our preparation. Just because we want to win it doesn't mean we will win it.
Yeah, this will be our last school quiz, so we really want to
certainly
win it.
do hope so,
Yeah.
because it's the last time we'll be representing St. Paul's English School in anything. In fact.
Yeah.
It feels good, exciting, and we precisely can't explain what we are feeling just now.
We are
We
very
don't have
nervous.
words.
We are very nervous now because we have got a big fight in our hands.
There are a lot of emotions mixed.
It's all we have come this far from Ranchi to do, and we'll give it our best. And we think we have the potential to win it.
So we have not decided any
on
strategy
the spot,
on
we'll
it.
decide what the strategy is.
Well, it was really nice. It was the feeling, the spirit of victory. We experienced it for a while now. We have to see what we do in the national finals. And I think we were lucky enough to win this. Lucky, and we did a bit of our homework at home. The only strategy is think well, listen well, and hear and do well. That's it. Because
Ultimate battle.
I'm in 10th, he's in 9th, he has another chance, I don't have another
Another
chance.
chance.
So I think जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा type का moments, I want it.
It's like a dream journey for both of us because it's just like we didn't from nowhere we have reached the top, and it has been an excellent journey, quite inexplicable, but still we are happy to reach the finals and hope hard work pays off.
Yeah, actually, see, the buzzers play the most important role because in the passes, if your luck favors you, you will get the passes, and the luck is that means the question strikes at you at that moment. So the buzzers play a crucial role in the quiz. So we play aggressive. Basically, we play aggressive. No, not exactly, because we just don't take risks unnecessarily because there's constant negative also looming about. So okay, it's somewhat you can call it a strategy. Yeah.
But we want to be dependent on ourselves, not to be dependent on others. So I think playing aggressive, it's just like even if you lose, so we have no regrets that we lost because of others or we lost because of our own mistakes.
It's a great feeling, probably one which I've never experienced till now, especially because it's such a new subject and achieving something in this subject is really fun and really good.
Yeah, I'm feeling very good and feeling very happy to be a participant of the final. We didn't expect really. We thought because we are competing one among the 15 strongest teams in this country, so it feels good to be one of them.
Our strategy is just banking on a preparation and not taking too many risks now because it's a national final, and since the format is entirely different, we cannot entirely depend on taking risks to win. So it's all banking on a preparation.
It feels great to reach the the finals. Yeah, I think a change in format will be good.
St. Paul's, obviously.
Yeah,
They are just.
defending champions after all.
We didn't expect this. We are shocked to see
Because
ourselves coming third.
last
Because
year
we were, I think, underestimated, kind of.
We didn't give any negative in the whole
was
financial
our
season.
strategy, that was
Financial Quest 2, not a single negative was from our side.
This time we had thought that no negative. That's what
We lost many quizzes in the negative because of the negative. But I think you should start for class 11 also so that we could come again and win the prize. Try to win the prizes.
It was a close fight till the end. Just what happened in the end which made the difference. We were right. Not really disappointed.
Yeah, we are happy that we actually came back. You know, we were not even in the second position. Like we got a few negatives, but we came back in the end. We are happy about it.
I started hyperventilating in the third round. I got really tense, started hyperventilating, and whatever came, and two questions which I knew the answer, just pressed it, and my mind went blank. I just answered something.
Feels great. Totally great. Real definition of great, win this.
Thank God I didn't have to shed blood to win this. We won it by hard work. I don't think intelligent investor is good. It's like having the Italian mafia at you. You have Al Capone on your left, Don Corleone on your right, everybody waiting to kill you. Who won't be happy? Who won't be happy? Seriously. First thing, may prosperity always bloom, and may you beat BSE as the best stock exchange in the world.